everyone! This is where I ended up at the end of the last video. Sorry. I mean here, with two broken legs. If you haven't watched the previous video, here it is. Take a look, I promise an amazing experience. I need to get these pieces out, and I decided not to repeat my mistake and not carry the wash basin back to the workshop at risk breaking something again. I'll do all the work here instead. It is also a convenient place to be if something scary happens. I won't even bother peeling off these pieces, I'll just cut and polish everything flush. Let's get started. Yeah! A small, but rather definite vote on the channel showed that my beloved viewers want to see something different than just a repetition of a twist. So I decided to try and make small leg sculpture. First delicate job of this equipment. Now I need to clarify something about the machine. Maybe my choice of the machine settings will be useful for someone. For what happens next, I treat this machine not as a lathe, but as a milling machine with rotary axis. What I call this machine is not important for you and me, but it is important for programming and setting up the machine. This carriage that moves along the part is the y-axis in my case. Cross slide is the z-axis, and my rotary axis is the x-axis actually. It is called A, but the x-axis values is wrapped around axis A. A is a slave axis of axis x, if you will. Damn, there are a lot of axes. Now, this is the part I want to process. First, I'll unwrap it. There is nothing unusual here except that the girls are quite ugly in this form. Then I'll do the regular 3D finishing operation. And afterwards, when I need to save the G-code, I select a post-processor that wraps the x-axis values around the a-axis. That's it. Let's check if the program works. I'm so happy about the new washbasin, mainly about the fact that it stands on its own 4 legs. But where is the tap? Don't worry, if you remember in the last video I made this part. This is the frame for the appropriate faucet. Now I will install and connect everything. Meanwhile, thank you for watching. See you in 2 weeks.